Garvee Outdoor Rug. It does come with a carrying case and it comes with stakes. It does have a spot for the stakes to be attached right here. It's double-sided, so if I flip this over, okay, and I have a few of these from Garvee actually. And you see they do, oh, it's getting a little windy, but that's why they have the stakes, okay? But they do flatten out after you let them sit for a little bit, because they fold them up when they ship them. But this wrinkle will come out as it sits outside and sort of just relaxes, okay? It's nice that it's basically double-sided. You kind of get two rugs in one, and it's definitely like a kind of a plasticky material, so it's definitely durable. It's outdoors, so it can get wet. The water can go through it. And I'll bring you a little closer here so you can see the material. It's basically like a plasticky material. It's got a binding on the side so it doesn't fray. And yeah, just a nice blanket. I think this would be actually a good beach blanket. But we're going to use it on our patio under our furniture. So that is the Garvee rug for the outdoors.